Pakistan Shabazz Sharif deserves great credit. We saw the Vice President JD Vance in Pakistan. We've seen the Iranian team in Pakistan. We want this ceasefire to be permanent. It's very important to recognize the importance of peacekeeping. This peace is solved amicably and peacefully. Diplomacy is really important. President Trump की प्रेस करता है कि आदमी किसी को नहीं प्रेस करता है. His president recognize that had this meeting not taken place in Pakistan, that Pakistan offered post as a trusted partner. And the good thing about Pakistan being a trusted partner is both Iran and the US had conflicts to go through these talks. We've got to hope, inshallah, there is peace, the ceasefire holds, because look, it's affecting all of us. It's affecting the economy in Pakistan, it's affecting the economy in the UK, it's affecting the economy in Europe, it's affecting Iran and the USA. And so peace is good for everyone, and Pakistan should be very proud of what they do. And I feel we should be really proud. Those who have affection with Pakistan, those who have Pakistani origin, those who are Pakistani. Pakistan is trying to bring in parties together to try and get a ceasefire. We want a permanent ceasefire.